Paper Document and Digital Files Management System. Nokiasoft Documents and Files Management System, DFMS, is designed as an integrated document management system for optimizing and control of all document management processes using information technology, IT, solutions. DFMS application is web-based software solution built to effectively and efficiently manage all document management processes of companies and organizations. The system manages all document and files transactions such as creating, editing, deleting, acknowledgement, approval, upload, download and document sharing based on certain authorization level given to the user, and controls process activities to enable all of the business process done with optimum results. The system supports for almost any type of document such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and including image, audio and video files. The system also support facilities for tracking and locating folders of paper-based documents as an integral part of the system. For management overview, the system is facilitated with a dashboard display both on graphical and numbers presentation of various data related to document and files process and tracking every detail and status etc. It also provides historical records to each files when it was created, updated, uploaded and downloaded, including expire date indication for document having expire date identification. Millions of businesses that have yet to realize the benefits of digital document management, and as a result, have an enormous opportunity to improve their efficiency, productivity, and profitability. Organizations with an overarching system in place to handle all their information operate at a vastly superior level of efficiency compared to those that still rely on paper files and folders. Even companies with most of their documents in digital form, but in a traditional folder structure, suffer many of the same drags on productivity as paper filing systems. Time is wasted constantly looking in several folder locations for misplaced documents. This is often compounded by the proliferation of multiple versions of the same file that results in errors and repeated work. Without a document management framework, businesses find it very difficult to enforce reliable file organization and optimize their internal processes. With Document and Files Management System, we believe a comprehensive document management solution should neither change people's daily work routines, nor require a lengthy or costly implementation. In our experience with thousands of customers, we have found that nearly any organization can significantly improve its bottom line with easy and affordable document management. Various studies on general office practices illustrate the savings that are now possible. Yearly expenses for a traditional paper-based environment are deceptively high. As this paper will show, the costs of physical storage, staff time, supplies, and repeat work due to misplaced documents may add up to more cost annually for a department of just 10 employees. A digital document management solution not only eliminates these costs year after year, it also enables employees to do more in less time. Beyond direct gains in efficiency in everyday file handling, there are many other advantages of electronic document management that are harder to quantify, but are of equal significance to the modern workplace: secure access through permission controls, data loss prevention, mobile access, automatic backup, and customized workflow. Addressing shortcomings in these areas is yet another incentive for many firms to implement a document management system. We hope Easy Document Management will help you become familiar with the benefits of document management solutions and the key concepts behind digital document control. This guide can serve as a valuable resource for evaluating your company's needs for managing information and ultimately selecting the document management solution that is right for you. Electronic document management solutions are designed to organize business files and records digitally, whether they started out in paper form or were generated by software applications. Paper files are first converted to electronic format by scanning. This provides a more compact means of storage, universal access for retrieval, and higher levels of data security and privacy. A company-wide document management system also controls digital files that are generated directly through applications such as those in the Microsoft Office suite, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, accounting software, CAD, email, and so on. Managing, rather than simply storing, documents enables quicker access to, and greater command over, business information. For businesses across the board, eliminating the bulk of their paper documents and records will immediately eliminate substantial material and labor expenditures. Companies are also liberated from paper's inherent limitations as a means of information storage. To share or distribute paper files, they must be duplicated. To store them, companies must devote a large portion of their office area or lease a separate space dedicated for physical file storage. The more staff and files are spread out across locations, the greater the obstacles to access. Given the large expense and inconvenience of paper documents, maintaining them in digital format instead leads to a substantial increase in efficiency and decrease in operational costs. Solutions designed to manage electronic documents should contain the following essential components. 1. Import mechanisms to bring new documents into the system, whether image scans of paper files or electronic files previously stored on a server or hard drive. 2. Storage options to maintain system files via data storage hardware, utilizing one or several distributed locations. 3. Identity, a scheme to index documents with discrete identities for accurate search and retrieval. 4. Export, a way to port and / or remove items from the system. 5. Security, placement of password protection on certain files according to authorized user security controls. Long-term value. Document management solutions exist first and foremost to organize, store, and retrieve files accurately and efficiently. Once documents and company data reside in a structured system, more sophisticated file handling procedures become possible. For example, because most document management systems log information about the history of document creation and modification, i.e. a digital paper trail, managers can query the system to assess the status of employee progress or trace the history of past versions. This accountability also makes a document management solution essential for businesses in industries that must report their record-keeping procedures to maintain compliance with regulatory. With the right electronic document management solution in place, businesses have far more capabilities than they would with just paper-based file or standard PC folder structure. Effective document management enables employees to 1. Retrieve the correct document out of myriad of items throughout the company within seconds. 2. Access up-to-date file changes while working from home or on the road. 3. Prevent overwritten changes, misfiled items, and confusion over file versions. 4. Share information confidentially with other employees, partners, and customers. 5. Recover automatic backups of digital content to protect against accidental data loss. Document and Files Management System, DFMS, which serves to manage documents and file system for the operational needs of the organization as well as on corporate, public sector, education or organization segment. Our feature functions include user settings, upload, download, configure, verifying, updating, report to control all your files documents by simply using your gadget/mobile phone anywhere. Our Document and Files Management System, DFMS, is a web-based application as a digital document/file management solution that organizations or companies can use to improve efficiency, simplicity, tidiness, security, and accessibility with a given level of authority. By using the DFMS application to store, manage, and track electronic documents, the time efficiency and ease of tracking documents will become easier and can be performed by the user's authority without being limited by time and distance, as the system can be installed on either the server computer in the network local, LAN, as well as with dedicated, co-located, or virtual private server, VPS, connected to the Internet network. In addition to the direct benefits of efficiency in the process of managing document files every day, there are also many other benefits with the management of these documents electronically, but vary significantly in a modern work environment, such as secure access through a prescribed authority level setting, preventing data loss, mobile access, backups can be done regularly, and can be customized needs of the steps and work sequences, workflow, in accordance with the needs of the organization. Our document and files management system, also equipped with logging facility for every activity done by user so that have historical data, and attached to document data starting from user who do create document, update, acknowledgement, or approval needed in organization. Access to the application in addition to using user_ID and password authorization, also comes with a web encryption that at all times access and time changes to keep security in access. Similarly, each document will automatically be assigned a file name with a unique code. We expected with the use of Document and Files Management System, DFMS, can help organizations or companies become familiar with the benefits and advantages as a solution in document management and as the key to the concept of digital document control. The following explanation is a useful source of information in evaluating your organization or company for your information management needs and ultimately being able to choose the right document management solution for your organization or company. Electronic document management solutions are designed to organize and manage business document files and are digitally recorded, whether starting from a paper form or generated from a software application. Usually paper files must first be converted into a file electronics using scanners, making it a very compact storage mode, providing universal accessibility and with higher levels of security and privacy. For company documents that have been generated in the form of digital files as generated by various software programs, such as files from Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, portable document format, PDF, even the files in formats of image/photo, audio and video formats can be directly controlled and allocated in addition to other supporting information managed using the database into the Document and Files Management System, DFMS, so as to facilitate folder management and by providing access authority level to the user in accordance with the level of authority specified. Using digital document management to increase efficiency. Streamlining business processes and increasing efficiency are fundamental concerns for any organization, regardless of size or sector. In today's increasingly strict regulatory environment, compliantly managing documents and records of all types, whether paper, electronic, audio, video or email, takes significant time and money that could better be spent achieving mission-critical objectives. By implementing document and records management software, business owners can realize many benefits that noticeably improve organizational efficiency. Digital document management systems can help your organization succeed by 1. Saving money. 2. Saving time. 3. Increasing efficiency. 4. Increasing productivity. 5. Increasing interdepartmental and inter-organizational communication and collaboration. 6. Generating revenue. 7. Enabling automation. While these systems have many benefits, they are complex undertakings that require a significant investment of both capital and staff. Because of the significant investment required, it is crucial that organizations thoughtfully evaluate their current and future needs before deciding on a solution. Features and benefits of digital document management systems. Digital document management systems are software applications that capture paper, documents and a variety of electronic files while providing for the storage, retrieval, security and archiving of these documents. Records management is a separate discipline focused on the life cycle of records. For a full discussion of what records management is and how it differs from document management. The document management process begins with the conversion of paper documents and records to electronic files. Conversion eliminates many of the obstacles created by paper, labor-intensive duplication procedures, slow distribution, misplaced originals, and the inconvenience of retrieving files from off-site storage. Because paper files are also costly to process, duplicate, distribute, and store, digitizing paper archives ultimately reduces operating expenses and overhead. All document management systems should have 5 basic components. 1. capture and import tools to bring documents into the system. 2. Methods for storing and archiving documents. 3. Indexing and retrieval tools to locate documents. 4. Distribution tools for exporting documents from the system. 5. Security to protect documents from unauthorized access. Document management applications enable more efficient distribution of and control over information, files, and records throughout your organization. These software programs simplify business procedures, document routing and email notification. Document management systems expedite business processes by allowing instant access to information, greater collaboration within and among departments and offices, enhanced security for files and records, and the application of procedures that facilitate compliance with record-keeping requirements. Document management makes it possible to 1. Manage millions of documents and retrieve the right one in seconds. 2. Share documents with colleagues while protecting confidential information. 3. Email and fax files instantly. 4. Access documents while traveling. 5. Publish documents to CD, DVD, or the web, as appropriate. 6. Backup files and records for disaster recovery. Solving business critical problems with digital document management. The survey estimates and show that a typical worker will take 12 minutes to process a single document. 9 of these 12 minutes are spent searching for, retrieving and refiling the document, meaning that only 3 minutes are spent actually using the information they've found. The average office related to document data. 1. Makes 19 copies of each document. 2. Spends $20 on labor to file each document. 3. Loses 1 out of 20 office documents. 4. Spends $120 searching for every misfiled document. 5. Spends $250 recreating each lost document. 6. Spends $25,000 to fill a 4-drawer file cabinet and $2,000 annually to maintain it. The volume of paper documents that organizations must process has increased tenfold in the last 5 years. Increases in paper volume drive the cost of paper handling higher, which greatly reduces profit margins. Digital document management can help you deal with the rapidly increasing burden of creating and maintaining your organization's paper archives. By reliably managing and protecting the documents that support organizational processes, inform organizational choices and preserve organizational knowledge, document management solutions increase efficiency, support profit-building activities, and provide a balance between security and accessibility. Save time. A recent PricewaterhouseCoopers study reports that the average worker spends 40% of their time managing non-essential documents, while the IDC estimates that employees spend 20% of their day looking for information in hard copy documents and that 50% of the time, they can't find what they need. With a digital document management solution, instead of searching for information, you spend time meeting the needs of your current customers and acquiring new ones. Instead of spending their days searching for information or filing documents, your staff spends their time more productively. A document management system can help you save time by 1. Answering information requests immediately, eliminating callbacks and phone tag. 2. Responding quickly to auditors' requests for information. 3. Immediately locating documents and highlighting essential information. 4. Eliminating lost documents that must be recreated and refiled. 5. Cutting time spent copying and distributing documents to staff, branch offices and outside contacts. 6. Speeding document handling workflow by enabling automation. By implementing a document management solution, you stop spending your time handling paper and start spending your time doing what you do best, serving your clients. Increase profitability. While implementing a document management system can result in upfront costs, it does lead to long-term savings. In fact, a recent IDC study pinpoints the return on investment, ROI, of document management at less than 1 year, with a 5-year ROI of 404%. Half of the organizations studied had payback within 6 months. In fact, a quality document management solution can deliver a rapid return on investment without overtaxing IT resources. Digital document management increases profitability by reducing costs and by increasing revenue. EDI Group, Limited, estimates that implementing a document management system results in a cost savings of $1 to $5 per document, while Gartner, Inc. estimates that a document management system can reduce overall document-related costs by 40%. There are the benefits of reduced overhead, lower costs for both on-site and off-site storage, reduced costs of regulatory compliance and, often, the elimination of staff positions or reassignment of staff to more strategic positions. Because a document management system helps you better utilize your time, you generate more revenue. You spend more time meeting with clients and closing deals. Offer the value add of a quicker response time to customer queries and provide quality customer service, which ultimately leads to more referrals. Cut costs and increase profitable by 1. Lowering paper handling costs. 2. Cutting the filing, duplication, and retrieval costs of off-site storage. 3. Reducing organizational downtime in the case of a natural disaster. 4. Simplifying business continuity planning. 5. Using space currently needed for paper storage for more productive revenue-generating activities. Overall, lower costs and increased revenue result in enhanced profitability and greater business value. The cost of implementing a document management solution is ultimately an investment in your future organizational success. Increase productivity and efficiency. Put the right tools and the right information in the hands of the right people. From an intelligent document search that helps customer service answer questions more quickly to workflow automation that maintains the pace of business processes and alerts managers to employee action and inaction, a document management system can help your organization increase productivity and efficiency. Reduce misfiling, document retrieval time and photocopying costs with a single system that manages paper and electronic documents, physical records, multimedia files and email. Using one platform to manage all your organizational information allows you to apply organizational records policies and procedures consistently, regardless of document format. It is estimated a 20% time savings based on filing and retrieval efficiencies, eliminating misfiling and workflow efficiencies. Increased efficiency, as well as greater staff productivity, can save up to 6,000 hours annually, or 2.4 full-time staff positions. Document management can help your organization increase productivity and efficiency with 1. Intelligent search methods that support searching with whatever criteria you have available. 2. Streamlined document distribution and improved accountability with automated workflow routing and notification. 3. Reduced labor and clerical mistakes with automated OCR and indexing. 4. Management of your entire organizational archives from your desktop computer. 5. Fast document distribution with web and CD publishing. Digital document management provides your staff with immediate access to the information that allows them to make better decisions about issues that impact your organization's bottom line. With digital document management, your employees will be able to support their work processes, work more efficiently, collaborate more effectively and make better informed choices, dramatically increasing productivity while accelerating the pace of business and your clients satisfied. Increase communication and collaboration. As more and more organizations adopt document management systems and replace filing cabinets and microfilm with digitized images, they still face the problem of getting information to users who don't have access to the system. Document management systems make it easy to share documents electronically with colleagues and clients over a network, whether that is network attached storage, NAS, or a storage area network system, SAN, on CD or DVD, or securely over the web. Sharing paper documents usually entails photocopying, and sharing microfilm requires conversion to paper, but with digital documents, you can view the same documents simultaneously. A quality document management solution should 1. Create CDs with built-in viewers and search capabilities, so documents can be viewed and searched on any PC, regardless of whether document management software is installed. 2. Allow you to distribute CDs royalty-free. 3. Present a consistent face to customers and the public with a customizable interface that matches your website. 4. Balance access and security, assisting you in retaining strict control over which documents are available to staff and the general public. 5. Work with documents on a wide variety of internet browsers, operating systems, and hardware. Enable automation. Your staff searches for information, acts on it, moves it, and archives it every day. This process, with its manual searching, faxing, photocopying and distribution, is costly and time-consuming. The inefficiencies of this process divert your staff from the crucial business of making productive use of the information. Document management solutions with an automated workflow component deliver more efficient work processes. A workflow solution reduces costly paper handling with intelligent document routing and saves time and money by reducing photocopying, hand delivery and repetitive dragging and dropping. A quality workflow solution doesn't treat your staff as stations along an assembly line, but as responsible workers whose time is better spent on more productive tasks than making copies. A workflow solution allows your organization to 1. Design rules-based routing systems to streamline document handling procedures. 2. Copy and move documents using routing services and your computer network. 3. Automatically notify staff and supervisors when certain events take place. 4. Monitor user activity, guaranteeing efficiency and project completion while enabling enhanced staff efficiency reporting. Workflow solutions give you the power to recapture lost hours, reduce your overhead expenses and increase profitability, all while improving the level of service you provide to your customers. Your organization generates large numbers of paper and electronic documents. As your business grows, so do files, and so does the time and effort required to manage them. Digital document management revolutionizes the management of information and provides the ability to rapidly find, retrieve, and share all the documents in your repository. This section will provide you with more information on what digital document management is and how it works, essential components of an enterprise level digital document management system and the technical issues you must consider. The process of digital document management begins with the conversion of paper or other documents into digitized images. These images can be easily organized and quickly retrieved, indexed, and archived. When files are scanned or electronically converted, a high-resolution digital copy is stored on a hard drive or optical disc. Templates, or electronic index cards, can associate information, such as author, reference number, date created or keywords, with a document. Files can still be viewed, printed, shared, and stored. Which documents users can read and what actions they can perform on these documents depend on the level of security that the system administrator has assigned to them. Digital document management represents a significant advance over storing information on paper. No longer just ink on a page, the document becomes active. Content after processing by optical character recognition, OCR, technology. A document management system should offer effective search tools for document retrieval, including full-text search, template field searches and a visual filing scheme that permits users to browse for documents. The best systems will allow you to find documents using a combination of all three methods. Document management maximizes the value of paper documents. Files can still be viewed, printed, shared, and stored, but have the enormous advantage of having active content. You can easily search files with active content, and you can create workflow rules to automatically route files from one user to another. Essential components of a quality document management system. Although all document management systems provide the basics of scanning, retrieval, and display, when it comes to implementing a document management solution in the real world, system essentials extend far beyond the basics. Document management systems designed for multiple users, a high volume of documents or multiple office locations must meet more stringent requirements. The features listed below are important to look for when selecting a document management system for your organization. Usability, one of the most important factors in how successful a document management system will be is how easy it is to use. Usability is critical in encouraging rapid staff acceptance. A system will only be widely used if it is simple to capture documents, organize and find them. The best systems are user-friendly and flexible enough to adapt to the way people already work within an organization, rather than forcing them to change their preferred way of working. To guarantee that a document management system is readily accepted by users throughout an organization, it is important that the graphic interfaces for common operations, such as search and retrieval, are clear and easy to use. User-friendly interfaces not only assure rapid adoption of the document management system by staff, but they also reduce training expenses associated with implementation. Capture. For a document management system to enhance business operations, it must accommodate all the types of documents: paper, electronic, fax, audio and video, to name a few that are part of an organization's processes and procedures. It should also enable batch processing of documents and forms for organizations that rely on high-volume processing as a part of business operations. There are three ways to bring files into a digital document management system. 1. Scanning or imaging, for paper files. 2. Importing, for archiving electronic documents such as Microsoft Office files, spreadsheets, faxes, audio and video. 3. Conversion, for creating unalterable images of electronic documents. Scanning a document produces a raster, picture, image that can be stored on a computer. The physical document is scanned and converted into a digital image, which is then stored in the document management system. Document importing is the process of bringing electronic files, such as Microsoft Office documents, graphics, audio clips, or video files, into a document management system. Files can be dragged into a document management system and remain in their native formats. These files can then be viewed in their original format by either launching the originating application or by using an embedded file viewer from within the document management system. Workflow. Workflow modules can increase the benefits of a document management system by automating the routing of documents to various people, eliminating bottlenecks and streamlining business processes. This added functionality is crucial for large offices, for organizations with central and branch offices, and for organizations that plan to expand their system. Workflow should automatically notify specific users of certain document management related system events, based on rules created by the system administrator. Workflow should generate return receipts and timed responses. If a recipient does not act within a specific time frame, the program should send either a reminder message or a second message to an alternate recipient. An essential component in any procedural workflow system is document automation. The workflow module should be able to automatically move, copy, or delete documents within the repository based on a predetermined set of rules. The success of any workflow system is not its ability to follow the strict routing and reporting features of a fully automated system, but its ability to handle exceptions to the rules as they arise. An effective workflow system provides the system administrator complete access to on-the-fly routing of documents and information through the system's folder structure and system security. Workflow systems should offer administrators drag-and-drop simplicity, an intuitive graphical interface and an easily understood folder structure. Workflow applications should be ODBC compliant to facilitate integration and customized application. As a final component, workflow must provide for comprehensive security reporting through an audit trail function. Security. System security is an absolute necessity for any document management system. A rigorous security system should permit every authorized person to perform required duties, whether from desktop, laptop, the office, a remote location, or over the web without compromising the integrity of the database, system, or network. Comprehensive security is critical to the successful implementation and ongoing protection of a document management system. While security may not be the primary concern for a single department installation, it becomes more important as the system is expanded to allow different departments, and even the public, access to files. Although a document management system should provide multiple levels of security, including authentication, authorization, audit trails, and disaster recovery planning, the system's security should parallel that of the network and be simple to administer. A full, featured document management system gives the system administrator the tools to balance access and security through control over both access rights and feature rights. Access rights determine who can log on to the system and which folders or files individuals can open. Feature rights determine the actions that individuals can perform on documents they have access to. Authentication is the level of security that requires users to present credentials, normally a username and password, in order to access the system. Authorization is the level of security that controls access to objects such as files and folders. Authorization encompasses two primary areas: access rights, which determine the objects users can draft, edit, upload, submission for approval, acknowledgement, and approval, download, and feature rights, which determine the actions that users can perform on the objects they have access to. A document management system should let organizations assign access rights to specific folders, as well as specific documents, at both the group and individual level. The use of groups with inherited or predefined rights allows system administrators to quickly assign viewing privileges, while individual level security allows specific users, such as managers, to view documents that the rest of the group cannot. For example, access rights would allow the system administrator to deny most employees access to HR files, while allowing human resources staff members to view the personnel files of everyone in the organization except other HR personnel, and the HR director to view all personnel files. A full, featured document management system will not allow users to see objects for which they do not have viewing privileges. This protective feature is especially important for organizations with systems containing confidential files and folders. A document management system should also let system administrators limit the actions that users are entitled to perform on folders and documents at both the individual and group level. Feature rights determine a range of actions, including adding pages, annotating, copying or deleting records. For example, a system administrator could allow various departments to have viewing privileges to city council minutes, but allow only the city clerk to have annotation rights to those files. As an additional level of security, a document management system should offer the ability to generate audit trails and reports that detail system activity. A document management system should be able to log all users, documents viewed, actions performed and the time they were performed. A full-featured document management system will log unsuccessful attempts to perform actions and can provide electronic watermarks to authenticate printed documents. Audit trail abilities are especially important when an organization has many different users and confidential documents. Audit trails also play a significant role in demonstrating regulatory compliance. Other security aspect of our web-based document and files management system also provided with encryption on web browser access into each application pages as well as on document files naming system that will generate a unique file name of each individual files. Document and digital files program modules. Administrator. * user properties. * user logs. * app license. Master data. * corporate. * doc rack. * doc sub rack. * doc folder. * numbering. * country. * city district. Paper document. * document data. * document movement. * document disposal. * document takeout. * document return in. Digital files. * file data. Reports. * document list. * document movement. * document disposal. * document takeout. * document return in. * document QR code. * document expire. * digital files. Messaging. * inbox. * outbox. * draft. Your account. * change password. * change photo. * change language. * log history. Lookiesoft Web-Based Software as Services. We offer web-based software as services, SaaS, for your business solution. Lookiesoft, the software engineering services, believes, practices of the software engineering principles and best practices. Our adopted process framework, and our conviction on quality based our own software development experience, enables us to deliver the best to our customers. While software engineering has been around for decades, its adoption leading to business success through improved quality and predictability has been, by and large, a mirage. Software is essentially a construction in mind and, a collective one at that, with many stakeholders of varying interests and skills. Applying the engineering principles is more of continuous refinements of an adaptive process rather than adoption of a prescriptive process. Lookiesoft, with its wealth of acquired knowledge and more than a decade of experience, has specialized in transitioning itself and its customers into sound software engineering practices without undue documentation and technology overheads. We are the only IT consultancy management, design and development, software as services, SaaS, and cloud application solutions. SaaS application on desktop computer. SaaS web-based application will be installed on standalone desktop computer. SaaS application on VPS server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on data center VPS server. SaaS application on _colocation or own dedicated server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on data center with colocation or own dedicated server. SaaS application in-house server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on your in-house server. Professional Business Application Service Provider. Software as Service, SaaS, Provider. Software as a Service, SaaS, is a software distribution model in which a third-party provider hosts applications and makes them available to customers over the Internet. SaaS is one of three main categories of cloud computing, alongside Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, and Platform as a Service, PaaS. VPS and Dedicated Application Services. We also offer customers to run our web-based applications with a VPS that runs its own copy of an operating system, and customers may have super user-level access to that operating system instance, so they can install multiple applications that runs on that OS. The system working 24 hours with high bandwidth internet connection. Agile Software Development. Agile software development is a conceptual framework for software engineering that promotes development iterations throughout the life cycle of the project. Website development. Our expert team of website developers and digital strategists use cutting-edge technology and best practices to create custom sites that increase user engagement. We understand that every custom web development project is unique. We want to get to know your brand, understand your needs, and determine an appropriate timeline and project plan tailored to your business. Anwar. Founder, Creator and Developer. Email, nookiesoft@gmail.com